Start. All opposition parties have been unanimous in their criticism of the government's recent move to suspend the Members of Parliament Local Area Development Scheme within bracket MPLADS for 2 years, approved by the cabinet. Stop. The government's reason is this: to use these funds within quote to strengthen the government's efforts in managing the challenges and adverse impact of COVID-19 in the country. Quotation close. Stop. Para. Such political unanimity is not very common but does happen whenever self-interest is involved. Stop. Under the scheme, each member of parliament within quote has the choice to suggest to the district collector for works to the tune of rupees 5 crores per annum to be taken up in his/her constituency. Quotation close. Stop. Para. It must be said upfront that notwithstanding the fact that unilateral decision making is inappropriate in a democracy, the decision to suspend MPLADS for 2 years is a good first step. Stop. In fact, the MPLADS scheme should be completely abolished, and for the following reasons. Stop. Para. First, the scheme violates one of the cardinal principles which, though not specifically written down in the Constitution, actually permits the entire Constitution: separation of powers. Stop. Simply put, this scheme in effect gives an executive function to legislators within bracket read legislature. Stop. The argument that MPs only recommend projects but the final choice and implementation rests with the district authorities is strange. There are hardly any authorities in the district who have the courage or the gumption to defy the wishes of an MP. Stop. Para. Second, implementation of the scheme has always left much to be desired. Stop. The details below, which are some of the observations made by the Comptroller and Auditor General within bracket CAG of India in a report, make it clear: expenditure incurred by the executing agencies being less than amount booked. Stop. Utilization of funds between 49 to 90% of the booked amount, though the scheme envisages that works under the scheme should be limited to asset creation. 549 of the 707 works test checked within bracket 78% of the works recommended were for improvement of existing assets, wide variations in quantities executed against the quantities specified in the BOQ within bracket bills of quantity in 137 of the 707 works test checked. Stop. Variations ranged from 16 to 2312%. Stop. Within bracket within code 2312% is the figure actually mentioned in the audit report, bracket close, Use of lesser quantities of material than specified by contractors resulting in excess payments and substandard works, within quote, no accountability for the expenditure in terms of the quality and quantities executed against specification, quotation close, delays in issuing work orders ranging from 5 to 387 days in 57% of the works against the requirement of issuing the work order within 45 days of the receipt of recommendation by the MP, extensions of time granted to contractors without following the correct procedure, register of assets created as required under the scheme not maintained, therefore location and existence of assets could not be verified, within quote, the implementation of the scheme was marked by various shortcomings and lapses. Stop. These were indicative of the failure of internal control mechanisms in the department in terms of non-maintenance of records. Quotation close. Stop para. Third, there are wide variations in the utilization of the MP LED amount in various constituencies. Stop. A report published in India Spend has some very interesting insights based on data made available to it by the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Stop. Some of these are within a year after they took office, 298 of 542 members of the 16th Lok Sabha India's lower house of parliament have not spent a rupee from the rupees 5 crore that is set aside annually for them to develop their constituencies. Quotation close semicolon. 508 MPs within bracket 93.55% did not or could not utilize the entire MPLADS amount from May 4, 2014 till December 10, 2018 in 4 years and 7 months. Stop. Only 35 MPs of the Lok Sabha utilized the entire amount of MPLADS during this period. Semicolon. Though rupees 1757 crore had been released for MPLADS, only rupees 281 crore had been utilized by all the 543 MPs till May 15, 2015. Stop. This means only 16% of the money had been spent in 1 year by all the MPs put together, because the Lok Sabha was constituted in May 2014. Semicolon. Since the MPLADS began in 1993, rupees 5,000 crore was lying unspent with various district authorities by May 15, 2015. Stop para. It is clear from the details above as well as later experience that most MPs use money under MPLADS quite haphazardly, and a significant portion of it is left unspent. Stop para. Fourth, added to the data above is fairly widespread talk of money under MPLADS being used to appease or oblige two sets of people, opinion makers or opinion influencers and favorite contractors. Stop. Sometimes these two categories overlap. Stop. An often heard tale is that of the contractor being a relative, close friend, or a confidant of the MP, and the contractor and the MP being financially linked with each other. Stop para. Finally, we come back to the legality or constitutionality issue which was mentioned earlier. Stop. The constitutional validity of MPLADS was challenged in the Supreme Court of India in 1999, followed by petitions in 2000, 2003, 2004, and 2005. Stop. The combined judgment for all these petitions was delivered on May 6, 2010, with the scheme being held to be constitutional. Stop.